Hi everyone, back with another review on the Nuruom OpenEar2 Pro earbuds. These are currently $120 on Amazon and they were first released November 1st, 2024. This is the Gerber pair blade, if you're wondering. Nice little knife. It does come with a warranty card that you can send in and a quick start guide with the different buttons that are on it. So I do like that both of the earbuds are connected by the band that goes around your neck. And so you can't lose anything. It's just always connected. It's just one headset that you can grab. You're not really going to lose this instead of two earbuds, which could easily fall out. It does come with a USB dongle that you can plug into your computer if you don't have Bluetooth, and it says that it pairs right away with that USB dongle. I do have Bluetooth, so I did not need it, but overall, these are pretty nice. It's kind of like a matte material. It has a speaker that plays into your ear and then also one on the bottom that plays down into your ear canal as well. Those holes on the side are microphones, and then on one of the earbud sides is the plus minus for volume, charging port, and power. So this is how they look on me. They just kind of sit right into your ear hole, but they don't go in like silicone tips. The microphone has a button on it for muting, and they do go on pretty easily. It's pretty easy just to throw them around your head and connect. They do connect right away. I haven't had any issues with these, and they've been pretty good out of the box. Okay, I'm going to switch over to the microphone on these earbuds, and you can be the judge of how they sound. Okay, I've switched over to the Nuruom OpenEar2 microphone. These also connected to my desktop right away. No Bluetooth issues at all with these earbuds, so I appreciate that. I'm interested to hear how this microphone sounds. This is kind of the main feature of these because music isn't going to sound great with the open ear style. Without silicone tips, music never sounds great. This will be more for calling and meetings and having a clear voice. So I'm interested to listen to the microphone and see if it sounds clear. What do you think of the microphone? Is it clear? Can you clearly understand me? And would you buy this earbud for the microphone specifically? Okay, I've switched back to my Rode mic, which is my best mic. I thought that microphone sounded really good actually. I listened back to it, and overall I think that sounds great for a Bluetooth mic. That's pretty cheap. That sounded pretty good. I would buy that for meetings and calls specifically. I'm actually going to use that for work and just use it for calls because the voice is very clear on that microphone. It's better than my Bose, arguably. So this footage that I've been playing of other earbuds, these are other open earbud styles of earbuds. These are two Bluetooth earbuds that clip around your ear. Those are three different types of those. And then on the right, I have one other kind of call center style of earbud. Overall, I think the Nuruom actually sounded very good for the microphone. Music never sounds great with these open earbud style, but overall, the Nuruom has sounded pretty good.